Good morning, children. Today lesson 11 revision. So I will show you two question, that is in text question 11.6 and in text question 11.7. Today we will solve. In text 11.6. The question is, give structure of the products would you expect when each of the following alcohol reacts with three reagents are given, beta. First is HCl, ZnCl2, second is HBr, and third is SOCl2. Okay. So first compound is butane 1-ol. First compound is butane, यानी सबके साथ अपना एक रिएक्शन कैसा होगा वो बताना. Butane 1-ol. Fine. So first of all we will see. एक क्लू बताओ बेटा, ZnCl2 HCl क्या है? This is, if you remember, Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent. What was Lucas reagent, beta? To distinguish the first 1 degree alcohol, 2 degree alcohol and 3 degree alcohol, this reagent is used. If you remember, we had discussed that 1 degree alcohol, that is primary alcohol, does not react with Lucas reagent. Whereas 3 degree, if an oily drop comes, it is 3 degree. If the solution becomes milky after 5 minutes, then it is 2 degree. And 1 degree alcohol does not react with Lucas reagent. सो ब्यूटेन 1-ol का तो डायरेक्टली तुम लिख सकते हो, नहीं तो ड्रॉ कर लो. CH3 CH2 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 OH. दिस इज ब्यूटेन 1-ol. तो यहाँ पे लिखेंगे HCl ZnCl2. MCQ में दिस कुड बी आस्क्ड. सो यहाँ लिख दोगे नो रिएक्शन, नो रिएक्शन. और इफ इट इज अ क्वेश्चन ऑफ 2 marks, वैसे तो 2 marks में क्वेश्चन नहीं आता है, देन वी विल राइट 1 degree alcohol does not react with Lucas reagent. Correct? Second compound is 2-methyl butane 2-ol. So 2-methyl CH3 CH2, then C2-ol, 2-methyl CH3. This is 2-methyl butane 2-ol. So कौन सा डिग्री होगा अल्कोहल का? विल टेल. इफ यू सी, alcohol containing carbon atom is attached to 1, 2 and 3 carbon atoms. So it is a 3 degree alcohol. या tertiary alcohol or tertiary alcohol. Understood? So tertiary alcohol will definitely react with HCl, ZnCl2. So it will give 3 degree alcohol में सिर्फ अपने को ये OH को रिप्लेस कर देना है Cl से. Okay? So let us replace, write the product CH3 CH2, then C, HCl का Cl will join here. CH3 will be at its own place. This CH3 will be at its own place. Plus HCl has replaced OH और HCl का 1H, so plus H2O. What is the name of this compound, beta? 2-chloro 2-methyl butane. Okay, so let us write here 2-chloro 2-methyl butane. Correct? Again, same compounds we have to get reacted with HBr. So we will write B with HBr. With HBr. So butane 1-ol, CH3 CH2 CH2 CH2OH plus HBr. Okay, so it will give us CH3 CH2 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 Br. 1 bromobutane, 1 bromobutane plus this H and this OH will form H2O plus H2O. So in this way, this is 1 degree alcohol. Second compound is again 2-methyl butane 2-ol. So this is first reaction. This is second one. 2-methyl butane 2-ol, so CH3, CH2, C, OH, CH3, CH3 plus HBr. So similarly, OH will be replaced by bromo. ठीक है? So we will make the structure. Sorry. Products should I write here? CH3, CH2, C, Br, CH3, CH3 plus H and OH will form H2. What will be the name of the compound? 2-bromo, 2-methyl butane. Okay. So we will write here 2-bromo, 2-methyl butane. Okay. Next is third is with SOCl2 with thionyl chloride. SOCl2 is thionyl chloride. So again first one is butane 1-ol, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH, butane 1-ol plus SOCl2. So it will give us, सिर्फ इसमें क्या करना है बेटा, वही सेम चीज बट SO2 और HCl अलग हो जाएगा. ठीक है? So it will be written as CH3, CH2, CH2, again CH2, OH के बदले Cl will come here. Okay? 1 chlorobutane will be formed and SO2 plus एक H और Cl मिलकर के HCl. So 1 chlorobutane will be formed and SO2 and HCl. You understood? OH के बदले 1 Cl will replace here. Okay? And this OH and this H and 1 more Cl is there, so HCl will be formed and SO and 1 O, SO2 will be formed. याद ही रखना है thionyl chloride के साथ SO2 HCl will be formed. Next is second one, that is again same compound is there, 2-methyl butane 2-ol. So we will write here CH3, CH2, COH, then 2-methyl, so CH3, CH3, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 2-methyl butane 2-ol plus SOCl2. So what is your idea? What will be formed? The compound formed will be CH3, CH2, C, Cl, but OH will be replaced by Cl and here CH3, here CH3 plus SO2 plus HCl. So you see it is CH3, CH2, COH, CH3, CH3, SOCl2. Sirf OH will be replaced by Cl and here it is this plus SO2 plus HCl will be formed with thionyl chloride. Okay. Then comes second question, 11.7. In text question 11.7, what we will see? Predict the major product of acid catalyzed dehydration. Dehydration reaction याद आया बेटा? H2SO4 के साथ कराते थे, the Charing reagent. Okay. So acid catalyzed dehydration. Acid catalyzed dehydration. It will form. Question is 1-methyl cyclohexanol. So how to write 1-methyl cyclohexanol? Cyclohexanol पहले बना लो. The reaction is very important बेटा. This is cyclohexanol, 1-methyl and hexanol. So OH लगाना पड़ेगा somewhere और उसी पोजीशन पे मिथाइल भी लगाना पड़ेगा, CH3. Understood? So this is 1-methyl cyclohexanol, acid catalyzed dehydration. So H plus will be there. Okay, यहाँ लिख दो dehydration. So it will form now. अगर तुम ध्यान दो तो dehydration means what है बेटा? H2O हटाना. Okay, so if इस कंपाउंड में से H2O हटाते हैं तो डबल बॉन्ड हैज टू बी अरेंज्ड. So we will write the compound like this. क्योंकि कार्बन टेट्रावैलेंसी हैज टू बी सेटिस्फाइड एंड H2O हैज टू बी रिमूव. सो इट विल फॉर्म CH3 तो अपनी जगह रह जाएगा और OH वहां सेट आया है तो एक H और नहीं सेटेगा तो डबल बॉन्ड यहाँ कर दिया प्लस H2O. दिस इज द डिहाइड्रेशन रिएक्शन. यू अंडरस्टूड बेटा? H2O will be removed from this compound. So the name of the compound is simple 1-methyl hexene, याद रखना, hexene या X1-ene, both are same. So 1-methyl cyclohexene, correct? This is the major product. Major product. Easy. Next is next compound क्या दे रखा है? Butane 1-ol. Okay. So this is first कर दो and this is second. So butane 1-ol, CH3, CH2, 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 OH. This is butane 1-ol. Butane 1-ol का डिहाइड्रेशन कराएंगे in presence of H plus. Okay. प्लस एंड यहाँ लिख दो डिहाइड्रेशन. डिहाइड्रेशन अगेन सेम थिंग, इन बनना पड़ेगा है ना. क्यों इन बनाना पड़ेगा? क्योंकि H2O इज रिमूव तो द कंपाउंड फॉर्म विल बी ब्यूट-2-ene. याद रखना बेटा, ब्यूट-2-ene बीटा पर से हटेगा है ना. सो CH3, CH2 देन सॉरी 2 है ना, ब्यूट-2-ene फिर से कट करके लिखो. CH3, CH डबल बॉन्ड CH and CH3 plus H2O. Why? Because this is the dehydration reaction plus H2O. So this compound is but-2-ene. But-2-ene. You understood or not? From this compound we have to remove H2O. Okay? So dehydration will be in presence of H plus ion. Dehydration लिखा. So H2O जैसे ही हटाएंगे तो double bond will be formed, unsaturation will be there. So but-2-ene and H2O will be formed. Okay? So for today this much revision is enough.